Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Dr. Sabah Akbani, and I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm very excited to share with you all a project that I'm deeply passionate about called Shifa My Home, an orphanage project by IEC RC. This initiative aims to provide food, clothing, and shelter for the orphans in Pakistan, while also educating them to excel in modern academics as well as religious knowledge. Shifa My Home will have a cafeteria, classroom, dorm rooms, digital and traditional libraries, and even a gym and computer lab, inshallah. I ask that you please donate generously for this beautiful cause that will inshallah serve as Sadqa Jariyah. Additionally, this project is also zakat eligible, and your donations will be tax deductible in America. For more information, please visit us at shifamyhome.org or visit us on Facebook at Shifa My Home Orphanage.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Faryal and I'm from Bahrain, and I want to speak to you about the Shifa My Home Orphanage. This will inshallah not only provide the orphans of Pakistan with food, water and shelter, but will inshallah also educate them with modern as well as religious knowledge. This will inshallah have a cafeteria, dorm rooms, classrooms, traditional and digital libraries, even a computer lab and a gym. This project is zakat eligible and your donations are tax deductible in America. For more information, please visit our website shifamyhome.org and our Facebook page Shifa My Home. I request you to donate widely for this project. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Sarah and I'm from IECRC Houston. I just wanted to take a moment of your day to talk to you about Shifa My Home Orphanage. Shifa My Home Orphanage is a project of IECRC, and it aims to not only provide food, shelter, and clothing to orphan children in Pakistan, but also provide them with state-of-the-art, modern, academic, and Islamic knowledge. It will include a cafeteria, classrooms, dorm rooms, digital and traditional libraries, and so much more. This project is tax deductible in America and also zakat eligible. For more information regarding it, please visit our website at shifamyhome.org or visit our Facebook page at Shifa My Home Orphanage. Please donate generously today.